our sandwich prep table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 36¼ inches, a depth of 34 inches, and a height of 44 inches tall with cover. Minus the cover, we have 35½ inches. Coming to the top are 3 rows consisting of 5 pans, a total of 15 pans that will be included with this prep table. The measurements for each pan will include 7 inches in length, 6¼ inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 15 pans included. Measurements for the cutting board, we have 36¼ inches in length by 8 inches in depth. Coming to the bottom are your left and right swing doors, along with the refrigerator containing 2 shelves. The measurements for each shelf will include 17 inches in depth by 15½ inches in length. Interior refrigerator dimensions, we have 32 inches in length, 12¾ inches in depth, by 21 inches in height. Coming to the right will be the ETL certification sticker along with a thermometer. Coming to the back will be the temperature control along with the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.